brother from Rwanda, Bruce Melody. The only artist who welcomed me when I went to Rwanda, by the way. Give it up for me. I respect you so much. You're the only artist. He took me in his home. He took me in his home. We had a party. Naturisa, Natunywesa, Gabana, Uganda. He welcomed me. When I was on my album tour, you're the only artist, actually. Bruce Melody, I love you. Okay, let's give it up for Reddy and Weasel, and I love people who love Reddy and Weasel. You know me with Reddy and Weasel, right? And we have a song coming, me and you, right? Should we tell them? Should we tell them?